Hi students, welcome to our high school. In this class, we are going to prove oxygen is produced during photosynthesis in the presence of light. For this activity, we should take water plants, that is hydrilla or elodia plants. We should take either one. So insert these twigs into the short stemmed funnel. So keep this short stemmed funnel in a beaker which consists of water. Next, take a test tube which is filled with water. Carefully invert the test tube over the funnel. Carefully invert the test tube over the funnel. Make two identical sets. One set should keep in sunlight, one set should keep in dark for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, if we observe the setup under sunlight, some kind of gas bubbles are evolving from the short stemmed funnel. These gas bubbles are increasing. The water level in the test tube is going to decrease. As well, the water level in the beaker will be increase. So that means by this we can say that some kind of gas is evolving from this short stemmed funnel. So what is there in the short stemmed funnel? Hydrilla twigs. So from the hydrilla twigs, some kind of gas is evolving. As the gas levels are increasing, the water level in the test tube is going to down. That means the water level in the test tube is going to beaker. So that the water level in the beaker is going to increase. And the setup which is present in the sunlight, there is no change at all. It remains same. And after that, we should carefully remove the test tube by closing its mouth with our thumb. We should carefully remove the test tube by closing its mouth with our thumb. And later on, insert a glowing matchstick or an incense stick. It glows brightly. Do you have any idea which gas helps for glowing splinter to glow much brighter? Yes, that gas is oxygen. So here also, if we keep the incense stick or maybe matchstick near the mouth of the test tube, it glows brightly. So by this we can say that oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis in the presence of light. So let us see the format. So what is the format to present this answer? That is what is aim? That is aim is oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. What are the apparatus? So whatever the things we used in this activity, those are all comes under the apparatus. What are those? Hydrilla twigs, short stemmed funnel, beaker with water, test tube. So these are all comes under apparatus area. Next one is a procedure. So what is procedure? Procedure. What is procedure? Arrange this apparatus as shown in the figure. Make two identical sets. One set should keep in sunlight, another set should keep in dark for 2 to 3 hours. Next one, observation. After 2 to 3 hours, what you will observe in this setup, some kind of gas bubbles are evolving from the stem of the funnel. As the gas bubbles are evolving more and more, the water level in the test tube is going to down and the water level is in the beaker is going to increase. So those changes you observed in the apparatus which you kept in sunlight. Next one, precautions. So while conducting this experiment, what kind of precautions should follow? The precaution is here, the water level in the beaker should be above the stem of the funnel. What is the precaution? The water level in the beaker should be above the stem of the funnel. So that precaution we should follow. So finally, conclusion or inference. Yes, simple. It was proved. What proved here? Oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. That's it. So whenever you are writing these kind of activities, don't forget the answer to present in this manner. Definitely it will help you to get good score. Thank you.